Welcome to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name's Bill Herr, and today we're going to do a walkthrough of this brand new listing that I got. This is a 2021 Scout 530 LXF. The 530 LXF is the flagship boat for the Scout lineup, and as we go through the boat, you will absolutely see why. Whether you're taking the boat out with family or you're going out for some serious fishing, this boat really does cover everything to have a great day out on the water. Starting back here in the cockpit of the boat, I'm going to point out the outdoor galley area that we have. You got a cooktop over on this side, and then you have a freshwater sink on the other side with a cutting board. So whether you're using it for bait prep or you're entertaining friends and family for some dinner out as some late night cocktails, you can do that as well. You can see I started out here on these awesome fold out little seats. Great option back here. You can have a lot of people sitting back here, and then you have the seat back here that folds away along the transom as well. Back on the power pan of the boat, you'll see we have Quint Mercury 400 Verados. Great power option for this boat. Gets this boat up into about 60 miles an hour on the top end. On the sides here, you'll see we have this side over here folded down. You can either use that as, you can put some chairs out there and relax, enjoy some dinner. If you have kids, they can jump in and out of the water. A nice entry point. As we're using it right now, it's to get on and off the boat, which is a great option to have. This side also folds down as well. Back here along the transom as well, you'll have controls and shore power that you can hook up to either side. However, your dock is hooked up. It's one shore power cord on either side. You only need one plugged in, which is awesome. Right here in the middle, beautiful release fighting chair. Again, this boat's it's really meant for taking the boat offshore if that's what you want to do full time, or entertaining family and friends. Up top here, we're going to go up. One of the best options about this boat is going to be the tower that it has. So as we head up there, I'm going to continue to talk. You got a separate station, so you can run the boat from up there. Great if you're fishing, you can see a lot. You got a great seating area, so if you want to hang out with the family, you can do that. And gives you just great visibility and views of everything around. Really a great option and add-on for this Scout 530 LXF. So welcome back down to the cockpit of the boat. I do want to point out we do have fish boxes in the floor on both sides. Nice large fish boxes. One has a freeze plate, the other one does have an ice machine to fill that up, so for your catch of the day, you can keep that cold on your way back in. Next, we're going to head up to the bow. As you can see, as I'm walking up here, you can see how high the sides get. I'm 6'2". This is well up to my, now going past my waist. So very wide, very easy to walk around. Great for kids, great for anybody really. Very safe, you're in the boat. Very well constructed. As we walk up front here, huge bow seating area, great for entertaining. You got a 2-table option. Both of these tables can go up and down. You can put a bow filler cushion in here on either side. Just really have a great entertainment area. And then one of the best parts about up here is this nice big lounger. Just a very comfortable spot. Wife and kids, family are gonna love hanging out up here in the bow of the boat. Next, we're gonna head back and check out the cockpit. Helm. As you're coming around this way, you can look at this great enclosure that we have up at the helm area. Nice big windshield, great coverage, great if it gets a little bit rough out. This boat is equipped with a seakeeper, so it can handle those conditions, as well as the way the bow flare is on these Scouts. Nice dry ride, very comfortable. You do have windows that open and air conditioning inside, and we'll go over that as well. So as we head into the inner part of the helm station and everything, tons of seating options. You got back-facing seating if you're watching for fish. You got forward-facing seating if you're entertaining. Really, they cover all options. Scout does a great job with their the electronics on the boat. Everything is all in one spot, very easy to get to, all easy to fix and work on and operate as the captain, or if you have somebody running the boat for you. You can see right here, they do give you another screen on the back of the seat here. Great for, again, for that fishing option. Gives the people that aren't running the boat availability to see what's going on. And then as we head up to this helm area, you're going to see these huge 24-inch screens. This boat's equipped with upgraded electronics, everything that you need, every option. You got your Mercury view, you got your zip wake. Great option here too is you have the joystick, and you also have a bow thruster. So however you're comfortable running the boat, it's going to make it easy for you as the captain. And then they also have that 24-inch screen on the other side. Heading down into the cabin area, pretty awesome feature. Just push a button, door opens simply all the way across. Very easy, comfortable steps, not too steep to walk down. We're going to go into the lower salon area. Down here, galley setup to my starboard side. Got fridge and freezer, nice little wine cooler, freshwater sink, television area, and then over here you got some nice wraparound seating. You can also add this to another berth. This does drop down and you have a filler pad that can go in there, and that way you could actually sleep up to 5 to 6 people on this boat. Storage all over the place. You got another Garmin screen to control your switches and gauges, so you don't have to go back up to the helm right there. Very nice and easy. You can keep the door closed and locked and still control everything on the boat. Moving forward, on the starboard side over here, we have our shower setup. So you have that separate from the head, which is going to be across the way here on the port side. Nice head compartment in there, freshwater sink obviously, storage everywhere, very well appointed. And I will point out there is a door, there's a pocket door right here that you can close off the front area. So if you do have some guests and you want a little bit of privacy for yourself as the owner, you can close that area off and lock it up. Lastly, point out, nice aft cabin as well. There is some storage things back there. Again, very hardcore fishing boat, so you can see the equipment that is there and is needed for that. But it is a nice option to have to sleep 2 other people. You got some more of your electronics and power control, and then you also have a closet right there that you can store some clothes. You know, this is definitely a boat you can spend a couple days out on the water. You can take it again full fishing, or you can head out down to the Chesapeake or whatever you're looking to do with your boating that day. So again, this is a brand new listing. This boat is loaded with options. Great fishing boat, great family boat. Again, their flagship model, just incredible. Again, the quality and craftsmanship that goes into these Scout boats is amazing. And if you have any questions or you would like a private walkthrough, again, my name is Bill Herr at MarineMax in Somers Point. You can reach me at 609-601-4480. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.